If you're planning to travel and want to monitor flight prices before booking, Google Flights has a useful feature that allows you to track flights easily. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to track flights on Google Flights step by step, even if you've never used the platform before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to track flight prices and receive updates whenever the cost of a ticket changes. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Flights website. On the homepage, you'll see the flight search section. Start by entering your departure airport in the From field and your destination in the To field. After that, choose whether you want a one-way, round-trip, or multi-city trip. Then select your travel dates and the number of passengers traveling. Once everything is entered, click the search button to view the available flights. After the search results appear, you'll see a list of flights from different airlines along with their prices, travel duration, and departure times. To start tracking flights, look for the Track Prices option near the top of the results page. This option usually appears as a toggle switch. Simply turn on the Track Prices feature to begin tracking the flight prices for that route. Once price tracking is enabled, Google Flights will automatically monitor price changes for the selected route and dates. Whenever the flight price increases or drops, Google will send you an email notification so you can stay updated without checking the website repeatedly. This makes it easier to book your ticket when the price becomes more affordable. You can also track flights with flexible dates. Instead of selecting a fixed travel date, you can search for flights across different dates and enable price tracking. This allows Google Flights to monitor a wider range of options and notify you about better deals that might appear. To manage your tracked flights, make sure you are signed in to your Google account. You can view all the routes you are tracking by visiting the Tracked Flights section on Google Flights. From there, you can turn off alerts or remove tracked routes whenever you want. Summary: in this tutorial, we covered how to track flights on Google Flights by searching for a route, enabling the Track Prices feature, and receiving notifications when flight prices change. This feature helps travelers monitor airfare and choose the best time to book their tickets. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.